Knowing all about structures, types, and creating tables and users is not much use without knowing how to save and access information in a database. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. First, saving information in a table. The command you need to know is insert. The basic syntax for insert is insert into your table name, column names, values, and then the values you're inserting. Table name is the table you want to insert into. The next part with the column names and values is a bit tricky. If you want to insert values into every column in that table in the order that they were defined in, you don't need to specify the column names. You can skip directly to the values. However, if you want to insert the data in a different order, or not in all the columns, then you need to specify the columns in the order that the values are going to be inserted in. For example, remember our customer info database. If we're going to insert into that database a value for every field, we could just simply use this statement: insert into customer info, values, and then a list of all the values. This will, if we copy and paste it in, insert that data in order into our customer info database. If we'd skipped a field, we would have gotten an error. Note that we left that first field blank. That's because that's, if you recall, that auto increment field, so the database will handle that automatically. Now if we want only to insert a customer's name and email address, we would have to specify that. Insert into customer info the ship first name, ship last name, and ship email values with Mike, Morton, and an email address. Take that, paste it in. You can see how that works. Remember that the values must exactly match the same number and order of columns that you specified. Finally, there's a shortcut to this that you can use. Insert into table name, set column equals value, comma, column equals value. So you can set more than one. This lets you set specific fields to specific values like this. Insert into customer info, set ship first name equals Mike, ship last name equals Morton, ship email equals an email address. So we'll copy, paste that in. We can see it works just the same. That's the way that I most often insert data, as it is quick and gives you the most control over your insert statements. So now that we know how to get data in, we need to know how to get it out and how to modify it.